Butterflies originated in North and Central America around 100 million years ago, evolving from nocturnal moth ancestors during the mid-Cretaceous period to feed on the nectar newly flowering plants. They spread globally over millions of the years, developing bright colors and complete metamorphosis. So these are evolved throughout the world. Many types of butterflies are there. Different colors are there. So these are originated in North and Central America in olden days, around 100 million years ago. So these are the history of